Hey! Yes, I'm the Duke.
What's cooking, good looking? Welcome to another edition of Cooking with the Duke, hosted by yours truly, T-Bone Marmaduke, aka the Duke. Well, we taking the Traeger Ironwood for our maiden voyage today, and we come home with a couple of birdies. It smells pretty good where I am. Anyway, let's go have a little look how we ended up in this position. And here we go. Let's fire up the Traeger, and we're getting ready for our first ever cook. Can you feel the excitement? Your Traeger is now ready to cook. So I like to do my birdies at about 190 degrees Celsius. So all you gotta do is set accordingly, set and forget, as they like to say. Look at that, beautiful and clean. Not for long. It's raining cats and dogs out here. We better get inside. Okay, so it's raining outside, so what we're gonna do is, party's always in the kitchen, right? Cheers. You can't have a beer can chicken without a beer can. Now, I know what you're thinking, but these zero near beers, I gotta take my daughter to ballet later.
Shazam!
So, birdie one. Smells good. Cheers. Okay, birdie two. And what I think we're gonna do today is we're gonna have one dry rub birdie and we're gonna have one saucy birdie. Now, a wise man once told me that the way to a nice juicy bird, secret is always put onion and garlic inside the cavity. That's the only cavity you want to start stuffing things in, I'll tell you. Take it from me. Not from experience, just from what I heard in the grapevine. Okay, so half an onion will do it. So that's perfect. Garlic for one, half a garlic for one, half an onion for the other. Okay, so for our saucy bird, we're gonna go garlic, chili pepper with the Traeger rub, and I haven't decided yet one of these we're gonna baste them up like the Picasso. Right? So we're gonna just generously, whoa, that came out like a bull in a gate, as my mama would say. Right, so we just pat it around. I'm not even using the binder because these are kind of moist birds to begin with. You can use a binder of anything you like, oil, butter, mustard, mayo I've even seen, but we're just keeping it real simple. Oh, we lost our onion. Okay, never mind. Right, we're looking pretty good. We're generously applied. I'm gonna stuff that back in there. Stick that little birdie on there like that. Ha-ha! Ready for action. So what we're gonna do is smoke this one for a little while before we baste her up. Done. Shazam. Let me just wash his head. And for our dry rub birdie, we're gonna go in with the lemon pepper. This is everybody loves this rub. Whenever I put it on chicken wings, people go nuts. So we're just gonna get that all over. Yeah, that's right. Pat down your birdie. Pat her up. Pat her down. We want to see if they're hiding anything in there. Check the cavity. Actually, I think we're gonna put something in the cavity first. Okay. Right, so we repeat the process, and we're gonna just shove our onion and garlic in there, and we're gonna reach. There you go. Two birdies sitting correct. So I don't want to forget which one is which. So I'm just gonna put a tiny little bit of barbecue sauce on just so we got a little bit of a head start and we don't confuse. Put a little bit of sauce on the top there. That's the Traeger Q classic sauce I'm gonna go with today. We're gonna be using the meter duo today. So number one. Okay, so that's probe number two. Number two gonna go in that one. And number one gonna go in Mr. Sauce, Mrs. Saucy. Oh, Mrs. Saucy, you are so saucy. Anyway, that's enough tomfoolery for a minute. We're gonna get these birdies in the smoker. Let's go. Okay, we have arrived at temperature 190 Celsius. I'm just gonna get in there for our maiden voyage. I'm just gonna remove this grill because we don't need her. We wanna stand our birdies up to attention. I'm gonna go grab her now. And we just close her up. Meter duo. Twice the accuracy, twice the enjoyment, twice the pleasure. That sounds wrong. Let's fire her up. The meter duo has everything for our birdie temperature needs today. We'll set her up and she'll tell us when she's ready. And here we are after an hour down. We're hitting a 60 degrees interior already. And look at that. Oh, look at these beautiful birdies. The South Gilly Daddy Salon is open. Oh man, it is time to reach for our barbecue sauce. We're gonna get our paintbrush and put a little bit of glaze on that good looking birdie. Oh yeah, just apply liberally. Paint me like one of your French girls, Jack. Smells incredible. Look at me, I'm like an artiste. Close her up. Hey Bobby.
Yeah.
I'm making a documentary series on aeroplanes.
Yeah.
I'm currently filming the pilot. So the meter is telling us it's almost time to have a little look. Whoa! Look at those birdies. Whoa. Now, Sin, that's looking good. I think we can take that off. Mission accomplished. Now we're taking that off. Let's get these birdies off. Wow, I'm happy with that. But like Mama says, it's what inside that counts. Let's get them open. Let's have a little looky. Okay, so we remove all our beer can chicken paraphernalia. I got our caveman cleaver. And just slice into that breast. Oh, that's a hot little birdie. Oh, look how juicy that is. Oh, man. Oh. Oh man, the juice coming out of this is incredible. Oh, who wants a slice? God. So this is the dry rub birdie with the Traeger chicken rub. Oh man, look at that. Oh, beautiful. No binder, no nothing. Just that's a testament to the. Oh, look how juicy that is, man. On to the next birdie. Color, that's a sticky chicky. Okay, we just remove the meter probe and slice into her. Oh man, this smells incredible. Look at all that juice pooling in there. Oh man, now that is a testament to the garlic and the onion inside the chicken. It makes all the difference. If there's one tip I can leave you with, it's try that out. And obviously grab yourself a meter and a Traeger and a, hello, look who's at the table. Well, that's all we got time for. Thank you very much for tuning in. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment and say hello, and we'll see you in the next video.